Alright guys, new part of the lake. We have Griffin now, so yeah, he decided to come tag along, so yeah, let's try to catch fish. Griffo on the camera now. The best fisherman the world has ever seen, bro. I lie, never lie. No sad joke. Mother fish. Does have to be a fish. It have to be. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. 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 That's a nice looking fish. The first fish right there. Oh. Fish. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Nice one, bro.
Nice one for you.
What a sick.
What?
I got the waiting for you. Oh, there.
It's a nice one for you. It's a nice little chunky. It's a fish. Got him. There's the fish here. Had a quick release. Alrighty. GoPro wasn't on because the battery died, but he just got his bass.
Look him right in the jaw.
That concludes the video. Got a few fish.
Sorry we didn't upload yesterday. We were fishing, but
Didn't catch anything. But if you all enjoyed, hit the subscribe button, like the video, share to your friends. We can see y'all in the next video.